I'm going to show you the quickest way to get money. So by the Hogwarts Castle, also by Hogsmeade, there will be this little Puffskein den. Set the waypoint and fast travel anywhere or fly to it. This will be easier if you have to have the bag where you catch animals, or else you will not be able to do this. So once you come over here, you'll want to grab out your, what's it called? I don't even know what it's called. A knapsack. Okay. So once you have your knapsack out, you will catch as many as possible. This is not only done with Puffskeins, this can be done with any animal, but they all cost the same. So I'm not sure. Whichever one is easiest, but this one's closest to Hogsmeade, so it's easier to go and get them sold. Occasionally they will climb in these trees like this, but you can still get them, as long as it says Puffskein and their gender. Wow, he really thinks he's hiding. Ah, here are the other two. Okay, so once you get every single Puffskein or your knapsack is full, go ahead and go to Hogsmeade. If I can get over these rocks, that would be nice. Okay, so Hogsmeade is just here. If you were actually out in the Forbidden Forest or anywhere else getting animals, you would just have to simply flu powder here or fly here, which flying is a lot longer. So I thought this place was really like close, so it would be easier. Now you're going to want to come over come over to the animal shop. If I can find it, that would be very nice. Believe it's somewhere near Honeydukes. There it is. Okay, where's the entrance? Okay, there it is.
Come in. Sorry if there's a smell. New batch of toad-hide.
They each sell for 120. Sorry. I think that the hippogriffs sell for 150, and then everything else sells for 150 except Puffskeins, I'm pretty sure. Wow. So this has actually all been from beasts. I'm not even joking. I haven't earned any of it. So this is the quickest way to make money, and I've only been doing this for maybe 30 minutes, maybe 40. But it's definitely the best way to do it. You're welcome.